welcome back to Maths with Arjun channel. In the previous video we have covered all the word problems of exercise 2.2. So in today's video we are going to take the concept to further level and solve some further problems. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. So today we are going to solve equations having the variables on both the sides. Till now we have solved the equations with the variable on only one side. Now today we are going to solve the equations having the variable on both sides. So let's see how we solve the equations having variable on both sides. So taking an example, let's see how we solve them. So the question says 5x plus 7 by 2 equal to 3 by 2x minus 14. So here we are going to use the technique of transpositioning. By transpositioning 3 by 2 of x on the left hand side and 7 by 2 on the right hand side, we get 5x minus 3 by 2x equal to minus 14 minus of 7 by 2. On taking the LCM, we get 10x minus 3x by 2 equal to 28 minus 7 by 2. Now on solving this, we get 7x is equal to minus 35 and x is equal to minus 5. Now let's solve some of the problems of exercise 2.3. Now the question says x is equal to 4 by 5 of in bracket x plus 10. Now let's solve the problem using the method which I have been using called as method 1. You can solve using the transpositioning method as well. So we are going to multiply both sides by 5 here. So which gives us as 5x is equal to 5 times of 4 by 5 of in bracket x plus 10. Now 5x gives the value of 4x plus 40 and x comes out to be equal to 40. Now moving on to the further next problem, which says 2 by 3 of x plus 1 equal to 7 by 15 of x plus 3. Now on using the transpositioning technique, we get 2x by 3 minus of 7x by 15 equal to 3 minus 1. On taking the LCM, we get 10x minus 7x by 15 equal to 2, which gives 3x is equal to 30, and finally the value of x is equal to 10. Now let's move on to another problem, which says 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus of y. On using the same transpositioning technique, we get 3y as equal to 7 and the value of y comes out to be equal to 7 by 3. Now moving on to the next problem, which says 3m equal to 5m minus of 8 by 5. Here also we are going to use the transpositioning technique, which gives us as 5m minus 3m is equal to 8 by 5 and 2m comes out to be equal to 8 by 5 and value of m comes out to be equal to 4 by 5. Now let's solve some examples of word problems in which there are variables on both the sides of the equation. So the problem says the digits of a 2-digit number differs by 3. If digits are interchanged and added to the original number, we get 143 and we have to find the original number. Now for making it easier to understand, let us consider a number as 56. So we can represent 56 as 5 into 10 plus 6. so which can be represented as 10 of A plus B. Here in 56, 5 is at the tens place and 6 is at the units place. Similarly, in 10A plus B, A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 6 respectively. Now, if we reverse this form, we will get 10 of B plus A. That is, A becomes B and B becomes A. Now coming to the question. So let the digit at ones place be equal to B. Now the question says the digit of a two-digit number differs by 3. So the digit at tens place would be equal to B plus 3. Now the original number would be like 10 of A plus B. So it would be 10 of number at tens place, that is B plus 3 plus B, the number at units place, which gives us 11B plus 30. Now on interchanging, the value of ones place will be at tens place and tens place would be at ones place. So it would be 10B plus B plus 3, which gives the value as 11B plus 3. Now it is given that the sum of both the original as well as the interchange digit is 143. So 11B plus 30 plus 11B plus 3 comes out to be equal to 143. So 22B plus 33 comes out to be equal to 143 and 22B comes out to be equal to 110. On dividing 22 with 110, we get the value of B is equal to 5. So now we have to find the original number. So original number is in the form of 11B plus 30. Now putting the value of B in this expression, we get the value of the original number is equal to 85. Now let's solve some of the questions of exercise 2.4. Now question says, Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. Now let us think the number as equal to x, and on subtracting 5 by 2 from it, we get x minus of 5 by 2. And now next statement says she multiplies the result by 8. So on multiplying the 8, we get 8 of in bracket x minus 5 by 2. Now the result obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. Now the result, that is, this is equal to 3 times of number she thought of, which is equal to x. So this is equal to 3 times x. So on solving this, we get 8x minus 40 by 2 equal to 3x. On transpositioning, we get 5x is equal to 20 and value of x finally comes out to be equal to 4. Now next problem says a positive number is 5 times another number. So let one of the number be equal to x. So another number is 5 times, so other number would be equal to 5x. Next statement says if we add 21 to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers become twice the other number. Now we have to add 21 to both the numbers, so the numbers would become x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. And it says that the new number becomes twice of the other new number. So new number, that is 5x plus 21, becomes equal to 2 times of x plus 21. On transpositioning and solving, we get 3x is equal to 21 and finally value of x is equal to 7. Now next question says sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. So let the digit at the ones place is equal to x. So the digit at tens place would be equal to 9 minus x. and the number would be equal to 10 times of the digit at tens place plus the digit at ones place, that is 10 times of in bracket 9 minus x plus x. Now question says when we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. Now what it says, first we have to interchange the digits. So the position of the ones digit becomes tens digit and tens digit goes to the ones digit. So it gives 10x plus of in bracket 9 minus x. Now it says that the interchanged number is greater than the original number by 27. So 10x plus 9 minus x would be equal to 10 of in bracket 9 minus x plus of 27. On transpositioning we get 9x plus 9 equal to minus of 9x plus 117, which gives 18x is equal to 108. On solving this we get the value of x is equal to 6. Now we have to find the original 2-digit number, so which is in the form 10 of 9 minus x plus x, and we put the value of x equal to 6 in this. We get the value of the original number is equal to 36. Now moving on to the next problem, which says one of the two digits of a 2-digit number is 3 times the other digit. So let the digit at the unit place be equal to x. So the digit at the tens place would be equal to 3 times, which is equal to 3x. So the original 2-digit number would be the 10 times the digit at the tens place plus the digit at the ones place. So 10 times of 3x plus x, which gives the value as 31x. Now the question says if we interchange the two digits and add the resulting to the original number, you get the value as 88. Now how we interchange the value at the ones digit becomes tens digit, and the value at the tens digit becomes equal to ones digit. So how we get it, 10x plus 3x, which gives us 13x, and it's given in the question that sum of the original number and the interchange number is equal to 88. So 31x plus 13x gives the value as equal to 88, which gives 44x is equal to 88, and x comes out to be equal to 2. And we are asked what is the original number. So original number is equal to 31x, and putting the value of x is equal to 2 in 31x, we get the original number as equal to 62. Moving on to the next word problem. It says Shobha's mother present age is 6 times Shobha's present age. So let Shobha's present age is equal to x. So Shobha's mother's present age is 6 times Shobha's present age. So it would be equal to 6x. It says Shobha's age 5 years from now, that is after 5 years. So what would be the age of Shobha's after 5 years? It would be x plus 5, and Shobha's mother age after 5 years would be 6 times of x plus 5. So the question says Shobha's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. So Shobha's age 5 years from now, that is x plus 5, is equal to 1/3 of Shobha's mother's present age, which is equal to 6x. So on transpositioning we get 3 times of x plus 5 equal to 6x, which gives 3x plus 15 equal to 6x, and finally the value of x comes out to be equal to 5. And we are asked to find the present ages of both Shobha and Shobha's mother. So x is the present age of Shobha's So Shobha's present age is equal to 5 years and Shobha's mother's present age is equal to 6 times of x, which is 6 into 5, which gives value as 30 years. Now next question says, there is a rectangular narrow plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. The length and the breadth of a plot are in the ratio of 11:4. So the length is equal to 11x, so breadth would be equal to 4 times of x. At the rate of rupee 100 per meter, so rate is given for fencing is equal to 100 rupees per meter. It will cost the village 75,000 rupees to fence the plot. So total cost of fencing the plot is given as rupees 75,000, and we had to find the dimensions of the plot, that is the length and breadth of the plot we are asked to find. How we are going to find? We are going to find using the perimeter, as perimeter will tell how the area of the plot is going to cover. So we know the perimeter of the, as the plot is rectangular, so we know the perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 times of length plus breadth. So 2 times of length we have let as 11x and plus breadth is equal to 4x, which gives the perimeter as equal to 30x. Now we know that the total perimeter multiplied by the rate would give us the total fencing cost. So it is 30x multiplied by 100, it would be giving us 75,000. And on solving this, we get the value of x is equal to 25. On putting the value of x is equal to 25 in length and breadth respectively, that is 11x and 4x, we get the value of length as 275 meters and breadth as 100 meters respectively. Now moving on to the next word problem. It says Hassan buys 2 kinds of cloth materials for school uniforms. Shirt material costs him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material costs him rupees 90 per meter. So cost of shirt is rupees 50 per meter and cost of trouser is rupees 90 per meter. For every 3 meter of shirt he buys 2 meter of trouser material. So it is given the ratio of shirt is to trouser is equal to 3:2. That is for each 3 meter of shirt he buys, he have to buy 2 meter of trouser cloth. Now next is given the profit, he sells the material at 12% and 10% respectively. That is profit on shirt he earns as 12% and profit on trouser he earns as 10%. It is also given that his total sales is equal to 36,600. So total sale is equal to 36,600 and we have to find how much trouser material did he buy. So we have to find the trouser material he buys. So let the trouser material be equal to 2x. So the shirt material would be equal to 3x. Now here we have to use the formula for the profit percentage, as profit percentage of both the shirt as well as the trouser is given. So the original formula is profit percentage is equal to selling price, that is at the price the thing is sold, minus the cost price, that is the cost that the manufacturer have to bear, divided by the cost price multiplied by 100. So on making and transpositioning the positions, we are going to solve the selling price of both the shirt as well as the trouser on which the profit is given. So on solving it, we get selling price is equal to profit divided by 100 multiplied by cost price plus cost price. So first of all, solving the selling price of the shirt, we get the selling price as 12 divided by 100 into 50 plus 50, which comes out to be 56, and selling price of trouser comes out to be 10 divided by 100 multiplied by 90 plus of 90, which comes out to be equal to 99. Now how we are going to proceed, that is the total trouser material multiplied by the selling price of the trouser plus total shirt material multiplied by the selling price of the shirt would be equal to the total sales he would have made. So which gives us as 2x multiplied by 99 plus 3x multiplied by 56 is equal to 36,600. On transpositioning, we get the value of x is equal to 100. Now we are asked to find the trouser material and we have got the value of x. So trouser material is equal to 2x. So it would be trouser material would be equal to 2 into 100, that is equal to 200 meters. Now moving on to the another word problem. It says half of the herd of deers are grazing in the field. So let the number of deers be equal to x and half of the deer, so x by 2 are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. So remaining would be equal to x minus of x by 2 and 3/4 of the remaining, that is 3/4 of x minus x by 2, which comes out to be equal to 3/8 of x are playing, and 9 of them are drinking water, and drinking water are equal to 9. So we know that the sum of those grazing in field plus playing nearby plus drinking water is equal to total number of deers, that is equal to x. So x by 2 plus 3/8 of x plus 9 is equal to x. On transpositioning, we get x by 2 minus 3/8x equal to 9. On taking the LCM, we get the value of x is equal to 72. So the total number of deers is equal to 72. Now moving on to the next word problem. It says a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. So let the age of granddaughter equal to x, and grandfather is 10 times older than granddaughter, so age of grandfather is equal to 10x. Also it is given that he is 54 years older than her. So grandfather is also 54 years older than granddaughter, so it would be x plus 54. Now we are, according to the question, it says 10x is equal to x plus 54. Both are age of grandfather. Now 9x is equal to 54 and x comes out to be equal to 6. So present age of granddaughter is equal to x, that is equal to 6 years, and present age of grandfather is equal to 10x, so it comes out to be 10 into 6 equal to 60 years. Now moving on to the last word problem of this exercise. It says Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. So let Aman's son's age equal to x. So Aman's age is 3 times, so Aman's age would be equal to 3x. It says 10 years ago. So 10 years ago, Aman's son's age would be equal to x minus 10, and 10 years ago Aman's age would be equal to 3x minus 10. And it's given in the question 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age, that Aman was 5 times his son's age 10 years ago. So 3x minus 10 equal to 5 times of x minus 10. On transpositioning, we get 5x minus 3x is equal to 50 minus 10. 2x is equal to 40 and x comes out to be equal to 20. So Aman's present age is equal to 3x, that is 3 into 20 equal to 60 years, and Aman's son's present age is equal to x, which comes out to be equal to 20 years. So we are going to conclude the lecture till here only. In the next video we are going to take the concept further and solve further questions of next exercises. So kindly like, share and subscribe the channel and the video. So we are going to conclude here only. Thank you so much.